protein, keratin, just like our hairs and nails. And I guess he's going back home to get more food. Now, round of applause for the champion named Mr. Omar. Alright. Now, since we're all in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Juan's good friend. We have here our baby birds named Lani and Rudy, our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot, together with their mentor, Miss Shanice. Now again, this is where we need to remove our masks so that they can talk or mimic well, because yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness. Right, Miss Janice?
That's right. And mimic is the sound what we hear.
Say hello, buddy. Hello. Okay. Again, please say hi.
Another.
Say hello. Hello. Now, Miss Janice, what else can they mimic?
Well, they can mimic a different sounds of the animals, like a rooster, a cat, and a dog.
I'm super proud of the dog.
Because I think also mimic a dog ring.
Sounds great. Now let's try the rooster first, alright? Come on, buddy. What's the sound? Again, buddy. What's the sound? How about the cat? Good job, Rudy. Now, how about dog? Can you bark?
Dog bark.
Bark.
Wait a minute.
Bowery dog. Louder, buddy, one more time. Bark. You hear that? Now, how about telephone ring? Good job, Rudy. Now, buddy, what will you do when you see a beautiful girl? Again, Rudy, what did you do?
What's the beautiful?
Now, Miss Janice, I've also heard that Lana really has a hidden talent. What is it?
Yes, they love to sing.
What? They love to sing.
Yes, but before that, they need to have a warm-up first.
Wow, just like another singers do, right? Okay, let's do the warm-up, buddy. Are you ready? Come on.
La la la.
Again. Good job, buddy. Now, I guess you're ready for the first song. Alright, let's do the first song, alright? I love you more than I. Oh, yeah. I love you more than I. Alright, now for the second song.
Alright, but before that, let me ask first. Who's celebrating your birthdays today? Are we doing this month?
Yes, it's Sachi's birthday! Alright. Now listen carefully because Lana is going to sing a happy birthday song for you. Alright, come on, buddy, let's sing, alright? Again. Oh, did you just laugh? It's our Philippine Eagle Owl Big Tattoo. He's looking at you like it's a surprise. Okay. Now let's talk about the owl. Philippine Eagle Owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head